Hey friends, it's KJ. I just want to say that I miss you guys so much and I can't wait to see you back in school. Today, we are going to do something fun. We are going to make some cranberry bread today, okay? Since we're studying bread, we should make something, right? Since Thanksgiving is coming up, I got some cranberry bread. Cranberry is very yummy during Thanksgiving, okay? So we're gonna start baking, okay guys? Make sure you have all your tools. I'm gonna tell you what you need, okay? You're gonna need mommy and daddy there, okay? Because they're gonna help you. We're gonna get a glass bowl, a big bowl, just so we can mix everything in there, okay? So you could grab a bowl. We are going to grab cooking spray. Cooking spray is so it doesn't stick. So when you take the bread out, it's not sticky to the pan, okay? So we can easily get it out of there. We're also going to need our mix, okay? This is our cranberry mix. We're gonna need some oil. We're gonna need water. And we're gonna need 2 eggs, okay? First things first, I like to listen to music when I bake. Okay guys, so if there's a stereo and you, mommy and daddy, want to dance while you bake, go right ahead, okay? We're gonna have a lot of fun. Alright guys, we're gonna start baking, okay? First things first, we're gonna see what the recipe is, okay? Does everyone know what a recipe is? A recipe is usually on the back. It's going to tell you how to make it. So it's going to tell you all the ingredients you're going to need. So like the oil and the eggs and the water and the mix. Okay, we're going to read the ingredients. So first things first, we have to preheat the oven. That way, once we're all done mixing everything, the oven will be hot enough. Okay, so let's see. So it says preheat the oven to 375. That's a really big number. Okay. So that means it's also really hot. So we're gonna go over here. Okay, we're gonna hit bake. And we're gonna go all the way up to 375. Okay, now the oven's gonna get hot. The oven's on and it's gonna start to get hot, okay? We're gonna come back over here to our cooking station. And we're gonna start. We're gonna start with our mix. Okay. We're gonna pull it out and dump everything in the bowl. Okay. All of it, put it all in there. We're gonna make all the bread. Okay. Now we're gonna put in a cup of water. That's what the recipe calls for, so that's what we're gonna do, right? So we're gonna get our cup, 1 cup of water. Okay, KJ already put water in here. So we're gonna dump it right in, right on top, just like that. That's it. Okay, next we're going to do 2 tablespoons of oil, okay? So this is 1 tablespoon, so we need 2. So we're gonna put some oil in here. Fill it right to the top. Okay, that's 1. Pour it right in there. Now we need 1 more. 2. There we go. Next, the recipe calls for 2 eggs. So we're going to take our eggs out. We have 2 in here, right? 1, 2. We're gonna crack them on the side of the bowl. If you need help, ask mommy or daddy to help you. Eggs can get a little messy, okay? Put it right on the side. Opens right up. Okay, that's 1. 2. All right, we're almost there. Now, if the eggs get on your fingers, you wanna wash your hands, right? Always clean your hands after you crack an egg, okay? Next, we're gonna get our spatula, okay? And we're gonna mix everything together. Okay? Gonna mix everything together. Okay. Gonna mix, mix, mix. We don't want any lumps in there. No lumps and no bumps. We want to make it nice and smooth, okay? Nice and smooth. Ooh, I see all the cranberries. Yum. It smells good. You could smell it, right? Can you look at our batter? See, everything's all mixed together. That's called our batter. This is how we're gonna make bread, guys. Isn't this cool? So cool. All right. All right, while you're mixing, you could do a little dance. Dance to the music, right? All right, I think we're getting there. No lumps and bumps, right? We don't want any of those lumps and bumps. All right. Can you guys see? Is it nice and smooth? See the cranberries in there? Yum. Yum, yum, yum. All right. All right, guys. Is that fun? Now what we're gonna do, so we're gonna cook it in our bread pan, okay? So this is gonna go in the oven. What we're gonna do first, before we pour the batter in here, we're gonna get our cooking spray that we talked about. So do you remember what the cooking spray is for? It's so the bread doesn't stick, right? So when the bread is done baking in the oven, it falls right out. If you wanna put it right on a plate, so that way it doesn't get all stuck to the bottom. So we're just gonna spray a little bit, okay? Okay, gonna get all the sides. All right, guys, this is the tricky part. We're gonna pour this batter into our bread pan, okay? You gotta make sure you can't spill it, don't spill it. So you're gonna have mommy and daddy help you with this, okay? So maybe they could hold the bowl and you could help pour it right in there, okay? Now you don't want to fill it all the way to the top, because what happens to bread when you bake it? Does it rise? So you want to leave a little space up at the top, okay? I'm going to keep going. Now you could use your spatula to help you if it starts coming out slower, okay? All right, almost there. Right, scoop that all out. Ooh, it smells good, guys. All right. All right. I think we got it all, right? A little bit left. All right. Ooh, I can't wait to eat all of this. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna lift the camera up so you can see that it's not filled all the way to the top, okay? All right, guys, you see? The batter's not filled all the way to the top. That's good. We don't want to fill it up too high because the bread's gonna rise when it's in the oven, when it starts cooking. So that is perfect. Okay, great job, guys. All right, so now what we're gonna do, mommy and daddy are always gonna help you with the oven, okay? Don't touch the oven, it's hot. You don't wanna burn your fingers, right? So make sure mommy and daddy have a mitt. They have an oven mitt. Like the ones we have in our classroom, you could put your hands in it. Or they have ones like these, that's what I have. So I'm gonna use this one today, okay? Make sure mommy and daddy have it, okay? Before they put it in the oven. All right, so you can see my oven, okay? I'm gonna hold it like this, okay, with the oven mitt. And we're gonna put it right in, okay? Now we're gonna set the timer. How long should we leave it in? It says 50 minutes. So I have my timer right here to let me know when to take it out of the oven so it doesn't burn. We don't want burned bread, right? No. Okay, can you guys see my timer? This is my timer. So we want to set it for 50 minutes. Okay, 50 minutes. So right now, we're on 0. So we're gonna turn it all the way to the number 50. What does the number 50 look like? Is that a 5 and a 0, right? 50 minutes. Do you hear it ticking? Okay, so when 50 minutes go by, it's gonna make this sound. Okay, that means our bread is done, okay guys? So I'm gonna put it back on 50. Okay, and as soon as that bell goes off, we can take the bread out of the oven, okay? Guys, I will see you in 50 minutes, okay? When our bread is done baking, as soon as our timer goes off. In the meantime, go have a dance party. Go have a dance party, go ahead guys. Alright guys, that dance party was fun, but I think our bread's almost done. It's been 50 minutes. Let's check out our timer, okay? Oh, it's almost at the 0. When it's at the 0, it'll be done, right? It's almost there. Oh, did you hear it? Alright guys, let's go check out our bread. First things first, we gotta turn the oven off. Okay, we're just gonna press stop. Let's check out our delicious bread. Yum, guys, look at that. Look how great it looks. All right, let's get our mitts on and let's take it out of the oven, okay? All right. All right. Guys, this bread looks delicious. Can we look at this masterpiece we've created? Look at that. How awesome does that look, guys? And guess what? You did that. You guys baked the bread. Great job, guys. I am so proud of you. All right, guys. Well, I had a lot of fun baking with all my friends today. I miss you all so much, and I'm so proud of you. Look at this awesome bread you guys baked. So, so proud of you guys. I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you very soon in school, okay? Miss everyone. Bye, friends.